Hey people, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find hidden apps on Android. Go for your settings app. At the bottom of the list, then search for your app lock. Put your app lock here. Then you can see here is a hidden apps here. Tap on it and now you can see all of your hidden apps here. So guys, after all this process, you can see all of your hidden apps in this list. This is how you can find hidden apps on Android. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.